Hello Can family, hope everyone is doing good. So this particular video is to all the Can family member and all other immigrants who are recently started to receive the invitation. A humble request to you, even you take representation from me, any legal application, or even you're doing by yourself, please do not wait for the last moment. How the steps should be. First, have a documents so that based upon the documents, you can create your profile. If you're going through any immigration firm, let them evaluate your documents and then create the profile, because that is the right way to secure your PR. Because if you create your profile and try to make a document, there can be a misrepresentation and you receive an invitation. The second step start that the 60 days countdown, where you started to make all the documents proper. Submission letter, cover letter, explanation letter. If it is required, it has to be prepared, and try not to wait for the last moment that 30 days, yeah, I was waiting for PCC and after that I would like to sign up. Never do that. Trust me, you need to start working from the day you receive your invitation. Even if it is undergoing and it's taking some time, let's complete rest all the application and let's wait for the PCC. If it comes, it's good. You can submit with the PCC. Otherwise, include an explanation letter. But always it is recommended to submit a complete application. Now, going to the last stage, if there is some critical documentation need to be there, you guys can take time to get it reviewed. So if you are doing an application by yourself, my humble request is that contact any of your friend who are a little bit of understanding about the immigration. Let them review your application. The questions what the person is asking, if you are able to justify that, application is complete. If anywhere you stop, for example, documentation which you have not shown in your study permit, or it was paid in cash, you don't have any kind of bank statement or ITR or anything, better to seek a legal guidance, because one and most important thing is who get an approval, and the approval come from 100% complete submission. The most important thing is explanation letter wherever you think that something is not clear. So for example, you created a profile with a different knock code and now you have to change it because during a documentation you come to know that employer gave you different duties. Please change the knock code, but include an explanation letter that what lead you to believe that the knock code is different, and understand that it's not about that CIC officer is there just to refuse your application. They also need that transparency. So if your explanation letter can bring the transparency, well and good. But again, if you're going through any legal immigration consultant lawyer, listen to them. They have their own way to do the application. So for example, if I'm doing an application, I know that where to put an explanation letter, what to put on my submission letter, what document I have to release more, what document I have to hold on. And that is most important. So please, to all the Can family member, if you received your invitation, all the best hopes that you will able to secure your PR card this year. My best wishes. Take care. Have a great day. See you in the next reel. Bye-bye.